I welcome you the 15th session of tenses. In this session, I want to describe you past continuous tense and past perfect tense. I know I explained what is the past continuous and what is the past perfect tense, but in one occasion we use past continuous or past perfect. So what is the occasion? Just we look it. So past continuous tense or past perfect tense are used to, these two tenses are used to refer to actions. These two tenses are used to refer or indicate two actions which happen by taking a little time gap. Okay, these two tenses are used to indicate two actions which happened by taking a little time gap between them. Little time gap between them. So the first happened action is written in past continuous or past perfect. You have to check it whether past continuous is suitable or past perfect is suitable. You have to check it. But the second action must be written in what is it? Simple past always. The first happened action should be written in past continuous or past perfect. The second happened action should be written in always simple past. This is the thing. So in the last session I explained past perfect. Past perfect tense indicates only one action. Even past continuous tense also indicates one action. But here in this class I explained you where we use past continuous and past perfect tense indicates are used. These two tenses are used to indicate two actions by taking a little time gap. Okay, come here. These are the examples. When I reach the railway station, the train already leave the station. So here two actions are there here. When I reach the railway station is the one action. The train already leave the station, one action. It is the one and it is the one. Your duty is to find what is the first action and what is the second action. What is the first happened action? What is the second happened action? So there is a V2. So that the second happened action must be written in which tense? Simple past. There is a V2, so that we think it is the second happened action. So in that blank that part should be past continuous or past perfect. So whether past continuous is suitable or past perfect is suitable, we have to check it. See, how can we check it? Just knowing the meaning. See, when I reach the railway station, the train already leave the station. Past continuous means what is the going on action at past. Past perfect means what is the complete action in the past. If you think it is a past continuous tense, you have to write answer is what is that? Was leaving. If you think it is a past perfect, we have to write answer is left. Had left. See, in Telugu, when I reached the railway station, the train was leaving the station means what is that? So as soon as I reached the station, the train was leaving. The train was leaving the station. So on the station, at the starting of the train, how long the train is going on in the station or in the platform, it goes very slow. As soon as we reach the station, what will happen? You catch the train by running. Is it clear? So there is no problem with what is the past continuous. But check it the past perfect. when I reached the railway station, the train already had left the station. Means you reach the station, but the train already left. Okay, is it clear what I am saying? You reach out the train అనేది వెళ్ళిపోయింది, స్టేషన్ విడిచిపెట్టి వెళ్ళిపోయింది. Can you run to get a train? Can you catch the train? You can't. So there is a problem with what? Past perfect, which tense as a problem that is a suitable tense for that blank, or which tense creates a problem that is a suitable tense for the blank. Here present past continuous doesn't create a problem or doesn't have a problem, so it is not suitable for this blank. Whereas past perfect creates a problem, so that it is a suitable. It is a suitable, and it is a V2, so that we have to write what is the past tense only, past continuous or past perfect. But according to the meaning, we have to write what is the past perfect is the right answer. In this way, we have to check it. In this way, we have to analyze what is the suitable, what is suitable for the blank. Is it clear? So next one is when he danced reach home. Sorry. When he danced reach home, his parents danced go out. So here is one blank, but here is two blanks. So in this case, we have to use your mind more, because we don't know what is the first happened action, what is the second happened action. Is it clear? So by depending its meaning, we have to find out what is the first happened and what is the second happened action. Is it clear? Then meaning బట్టి మనం ఏం చేయాలంటే ఫస్ట్ జరిగింది ఏంటి, సెకండ్ జరిగింది ఏంటి అని కొనుక్కోవాలి. So when he reached his home, his parents danced go out. First happened action is what? Parents వెళ్ళిపోవడం. సెకండ్ హ్యాపెండ్ యాక్షన్ అనేది ఏంటంటే నువ్వు మీ ఇంటికి రీచ్ అవ్వడం. సెకండ్ హ్యాపెండ్ యాక్షన్ నో డౌట్ షుడ్ బి రిటన్ which tense? Simple past. So answer is what is that? Reached. When he reached his home, his parents danced go out. Is it clear? It is the second happened action. ఎప్పుడైతే నువ్వు ఇంటికి వెళ్ళావో మీ పేరెంట్స్ వెళ్ళిపోయారు. Okay, so if you think it is a past continuous, answer is what is that? Were going. If you think it is a past perfect, what is that? Had gone. Just analyze the meaning with past continuous. When he reached his home, ఎప్పుడైతే అతను రూమ్కి వాళ్ళ హౌస్కి రీచ్ అయ్యాడు, వాళ్ళ పేరెంట్స్ అనేవాళ్ళు అప్పుడు వెళ్తున్నారు. You reached your home, your parents are what is that? Going at the end of the street, or they reached what is that? They are leaving the street. Someone may see you, may find your arrival, and someone calls your parents. So here what is that? The past continuous tense doesn't create a problem. నీ రాకని ఎవరైనా చూసి నీ పేరెంట్స్ని పిలవచ్చు, because they are just leaving. They are just leaving the street. Okay, there is no problem with the past continuous. Had gone. When he reached his home, his parents had gone out. ఎప్పుడైతే నువ్వు ఇంటికి వెళ్ళావు, నీ పేరెంట్స్ అనే వాళ్ళు ఏమైపోయారంటే gone out, బయటకు వెళ్ళిపోయారు. They are not in the street, or they are not in the ending of the street. Okay, they are gone out. They have gone out. So వెళ్ళిపోయిన తర్వాత ఎవరు చూసినా సరే వాళ్ళు పిల్లలేరు. It takes some time. Someone must go to the hillside or some other place where your parents were. Is it clear what I am saying? So that is the reason why where had gone creates the problem. So it is a past perfect tense. These two tenses are past perfect. Come to this one. While I watch TV, the power cut off. Is it clear? So just you analyze what is the first happened action and what is the second happened action. Here this is the one and this is the second. నువ్వు టీవీ చూస్తున్నావు, power cut off. This is the first happened action and this is the second. నువ్వు టీవీ చూస్తున్నావు, కరెంట్ పోయింది. Okay, watching TV is the right first answer, first happened action. Power cut off is the second action. Second action should be written in past tense. So cut. Power cut off. Our power was cut off. No problem. Here, if you think it is a past continuous, was watching. If you think it is a past perfect, had watched. Had watched means what is that? You completed watching TV. You stopped watching TV. When you stopped watching TV, if there is a power cut, there is no problem. You don't bother. While you are watching, if there is no power, if there is a power cut, what will happen? There is a problem. There is a problem. So which tense creates the problem? Past continuous tense creates the problem. So this is the right answer and past perfect is the wrong answer. అర్థమవుతుందా? చూస్తున్నప్పుడు కరెంట్ పోతే ప్రాబ్లం ఉంటుంది, చూసిన తర్వాత కరెంట్ పోతే నో ప్రాబ్లం. Is it clear? That is. And next one, she met an accident while she dash crossed the road. So there is this is one action and this is the second one action. There is a met so that it is a first happened action. For the second happened action, there is a blank, so that is a second happened action. So think it is the past continuous, was crossing and crossed, had crossed. Had crossed means what is that? You already crossed the road. Is there any possible to have an accident? There is no possible. Where there is a possible to have an accident while you are crossing the road, there is a most possible to dash any vehicle. What is that? Any vehicle dash to. Is it clear what I am saying? So what is the right answer? So past continuous is the right answer, past perfect is the wrong answer. Past continuous is the right answer, past perfect is the wrong answer. It's very important. This type of question is in your any kind of examination paper. Is it clear? That is. And next one, when I go to market, all shops dash close. Both are blanks. Is it clear? When I go to the market, all shops close. What is the first happened action and what is the second happened action? The first happened action is this. ఎప్పుడైతే నేను మార్కెట్కి వెళ్ళినా షాప్స్ అన్ని మూసిస్తారు. ఫస్ట్ హ్యాపెన్ మూసిడం అనేది ఫస్ట్ హ్యాపెన్. దిస్ వన్ ఈజ్ ద సెకండ్ హ్యాపెన్. సెకండ్ హ్యాపెన్ యాక్షన్ వాట్ ఈస్ ద రిటన్ పాస్ట్ టెన్స్. When I went to market, what will happen? All shops were closing means, if you think it is a past continuous, were closing means what is that? As soon as reached the shops or the market, the shops are closing. While they are at the starting of the closing the what is that shops, if you go and ask 2 kilos of brinjal or 2 kilos of mangoes, do they give or not? Do they open the shutter and give the mangoes or what is that brinjal or what you want or not? నువ్వు ఎప్పుడైతే వాళ్ళు మూస్తున్నప్పుడు నువ్వు వెళ్ళినప్పుడు వాళ్ళు ఏం చేస్తారు, నేను చూసేనా అవుతారు, లేకపోతే నువ్వు అడిగినా సరే వాళ్ళు ఇస్తారు. సో దెర్ ఇస్ నో ప్రాబ్లమ్ విత్ పాస్ట్ కంటిన్యూస్. Is it clear? What is the problem? Which tense creates the problem? Past perfect tense creates the problem. So what is that? Had closed or had been closed. So as soon as when I went to market, all shops had closed or had been closed. What will happen? You reach the market, but all shops closed. ఎప్పుడైతే నువ్వు మార్కెట్కి వెళ్ళావో షాప్స్ అన్నీ నువ్వు మూస్తారు, అప్పుడు ప్రాబ్లం. ఇస్ ఇట్ క్లియర్? యూ డోంట్ బై ఎనీథింగ్ వాట్ యూ వాంట్ on which purpose you are going to market. So that is a problem. Past perfect can create the problem. So that is the right answer for the plan. So it is most important. So in this way you have to analyze, and in this way you have to check out which tense is perfect for the plan. Thank you very much. We will meet in the next session.